the subscribes about the sponsors and make you guys laugh. Because that's the mission. Seeing people laugh is just one of my favorite things. It makes them like feel good inside, and that's what my channel's supposed to be about. It's supposed to be about people having fun. So if you could just hit that subscribe button and like, turn on all notifications, that would be amazing and help out the channel. Bye!